Jude, good morning.
Good morning, Minia.
Now to say,
oh, Nyamiadum Pai, but now so
yeah, Nyamiadum. Adia chuma wadi afe.
Of course, wadi afe.
To be fine.
Just in Nyamiadum Pai, but kakra fatal, papa.
So
I'm just hoping say the expected results, Baba. And remember to spare a thought for the Black Stars of Ghana. As we get the alliance against the Free Lions of England this evening. Say exactly 8:00.
Yeah.
Yes, inti oye Ghanaian na do na sisi nsuo. Wa we ha dantem no. And then dantem. You tuamu awu.
And I love Carlos Cruz.
Yes.
The confidence now the kasa no. And minimum so the bibe boys in him.
Exactly.
Say or call an interview no. Or say look England for no. So I'm the Three Lions.
I'm the Three Lions.
I'm the Lions means I never.
Jatamians.
They did 200. Need this year.
When
it's in Zomba cry.
No, so I said there 30 million cry. Was it 30 million?
When your mom is good to know.
Was it 30 million cry? Can 30 million? That you say Carlos Cruz is one person. No, say he always would want to eat deep into his opponent's psyche. And it's good.
Yeah.
You're Bonabaso.
Sure.
In coaching, Saudi play a key role.
Sure.
Jose Mourinho, the special one. Pep Guardiola, sometimes obey the on cancer a hurting the opponent's coach. But on him, how obey me eat into your psyche or the pressure be a torso. The only team in Mombukrano, to me, dead down or trim you or down on your impressions, say, as all crown or born near Babeshas, we your favorites. Carlos Cruz in the all. Say, of course, ahead of this game, certainly the overwhelming favorites are the Free Lions of England. On him. But on him, say, you are dear be a honor. Well, yeah, I bet me up why in team no. Okay, my men come in some say, me come in some say, yeah. You pressure free me team no so. Now add the pressure no abba me so. So, or say England, we have 3 Lions. And I'm saying you 30 million Lions. Me wa. And see, one shot. One bear analyzes side and not discuss here no pressure and can was a buy a team no so teach you pioneer Thomas Tay party. Sa pressure no in a way strategically no or yeah free ho. And the hallmark of a good coach. Coach check Jose Mourinho record the man or Portugal. Time ana all coach or Portugal no. With the FC Porto. Sani ma we oh yeah. Utimi ya kra the opponent supporters about stadium no. Na omo ehuru no. Catch a players necessary no pay or yet na a pressure every team so. Inti coaches papa ni nyina no. Sa no mo kan mo nsem and I love it. Me na me pe bibi. Na me nya hu bibi as again no. As the air fire. Tina me pe obi obetimi aya ade bia the unthinkable. Na nke e de pressure no. Akwakọ to say nipa no so obi a we ready say or the pressure ma no. Na we pressure free in team no so. Not necessarily say bia all kakasa it see an opponent. Or the blue bemano, name but can say the pressure bebato also. And I know be na Carlos Cruz iron. And we really have to appreciate those comments. And we're sure. And so say, a bema Ghanaians no so on Beko Stadium no. Sa kasa no kind. In a way, or the invite you into the stadium. And our charm also say, look, Moba, the 12th person or the 12th man, or the buama because yenin say almost an impossible task. Into our man the 12th man no. Ati asiye se nkrofo betimi aso mo ani betimi anya draw mo huge role to play. And yes, by extension Ghana from paye ehia support ye be mo ha efie ni sunsum ni hia o man ni sunsum no ehia and me bo corporate institutions be braba so he and me ba ohu fi minim so ohu bia onam kroma almost our corporate setups now. About 90% of them obia export to Ghana GC. Masaba ni obia di nkomo. Eye memo omo companies no edema omo kire omo say mon sport Ghana GC. And it is very commendable. Ni na ye a way of supporting our Black Stars. But it you know aye omo mbewo stadium honom no. Omo ni de no omo beye no. Ebe county ye pa because the players will feel it. I had there say aye tire. But a honor they will really feel it.
To say the against Panama. And a boxing stadium at 64,000 capacity stadium.
Yes.
And at least 64 no the Ghanaian community more my half crown. No chanty ekreti that intimidating atmosphere the Mindland for now I bet you take advantage of it now.
Trust you me.
It is more
problem. Say omo kodri no. The Ghanaian community no aje omo feso. Na me omo mpanyimfo bi a omo kra no stadium no omo ko bi omo organize supporters. What's a me demand be picture chere so okay. Emra na yewra asem no esi no. Me the picture natural. Oh Boston. Nini ba konso na nso no nso Boston. Your Ghanaian personalities be omo hon ma. Omo ma just say omo ko. And I love that. Said you are ready to support our Black Stars no. Because rich men can head out. Say okoko fa ankona mbia engrofo ni sika sem no so what ticket ne bo. Udi agra England for ne Bema stadium ho. Enye nyame na ya dom ensu engrofo ni gu oyi rich. Obu okranka trip no be konso onko stadium say unim. But more because Charlie o convert sika na. Bra if ye je adumu. Aha. Enti enim say sa support ne beba. And rich na me hwe ne ma bi ohun.
Ready entity ho. Rich, young boys remfa de bi enhye omutrim. Hwe. Bibia ye possible. Bibia ye possible. Unim team a ye ko tournament no. No one of the favorite or betimi ati Africa enim. Apart from Morocco, certainly not a Senegal. But Senegal de no. O hwe the problems are on them one. Results no benya na no nyinya problems ben.
Rich. U coach. The contract 6 months in ye man new contract on one kasa no. Say onim uncertainty surrounding na adwuma no. Say obeto aso onto aso. Inti or the same mindset na nkasa kwa. Automatically defeated. Oni sound mind o. Rich. Wakwa no okokoto aduane e won kwanchen. On that first class hotel o. Ni K-Trampo no. Oni K-Tra. Problems are surrounding omo. Team name outstanding bonuses. Yentua omo catalog of problems. And see a lot of factors namely militating against results I expect to mbenya. And see Senegal you can always make a case for them. Regardless, meaning whether you describe them as the current African champions. And I dem Morocco. No, for now, they are the current Senegal. Rich. So you definitely would expect a lot from them. Yes, of course, group no a difficult group. Only France and Norway a group are but at least near himself with almost level no. And can results kakra when him ebeba. Dia yemko for ye kevet for and come mpo na anim say anya bia no. And by now obey sadie no. But rich
and your boys in Jom.
And you know your boys in radio. All many have problems ni bi. But what is Kasem problem bi?
No.
What is so be su come and answer what is say omu su say enduane omu di na nya papa. Baby omu da facilities omu use ni na top class meboa. Enti me bo reason by now was so unkase undeliver. No meaning whether you are getting my point. A reason by now me ba all premise ne say enyina so ne say basis by now beka say me deliver enye yi. Sanka was Senegal situation num bi dia it is understandable. Obi abeto ase. Ye ko World Cup na sikasem na ekuko dwirigu no.
2014.
Yes, among phone reason or reasons in tia eba sa. But a numpo a typical Ghanaian domination so much no. Who's a numpo yam fan chomo. But where the mu be you well organized. Money problem. And to rich I had ba ko pena ye expect ye be akuma ye cry ye rain na asemumu. Ye rain na di asemumu. Who bet you disappoint here? Untimi. To rich. Ye ba game ne so. Na emom ye momo atiase. Say to whom much is given,
much is expected.
Much certainly is expected. England, a nipa level normal so do omobo. Anya be draw inspiration from Adia Unia Kivet. Aye. Unim Shekrano. Draw inspiration from Iran. She Iran situation. Already oye. Tisania mani nyinano. Or say a can be bilitrom. Say, look, you've got no excuse whatsoever. So team deliver. Men can't say because only a lot of friendly matches and more. First game, Sadia and show rich say friendly matches are coach no and for boys and I'm on in show. No, they are professionals and where they are coming from. And I'm sure they be cry. friendly matches ni mpo na omo anya mmo no onim say in a way nso no na enio to a benefit race why na ba so de friendly matches na omo anya mmo no ya ka the negative say wom but onim say in a way so enio to your players the benefit how good and mom we are refreshed because teams no mo coin national teams no me no name bebre yet a lot of complaints sanso net here say already season obi abo Champions League wabo FA Cup wabo League Cup wabo a lot of matches
say players Europe omum booking biblia
no rich and make say utie Antoine Semenyo obo a lot of games Patriot the make sure say Thomas Taipa table a lot of games Kwesi Sibo ebo a lot of games meboa this gentleman your players no Senamu na betu aka so obo a lot of games rich Abdul Fattah Isaiku.
Me who say a players.
Then Abdul Fattah Isaiku, Omo Premier League. Omo Leicester City. Omo bought a lot of games. Omo bought FA Cup nibi. Omo bought Premier League. And son omo sabo League Cup or Carling Cup or Carabao Cup. Omo bought ni bi. Ti dia me patron say.
But as you say you are a starter in your team no. And you say another discussion but
regardless, but the bottom line is that rate Tio. Sadia na ye kind the negative side no. And I make sure say na say on the positive side and so say comparatively say offer your team no na o dey check other teams na expect say ye be more refreshed than those teams meboa. Because omo ball season every ni nyina no. Omo asanso akwa boy a lot of friendly matches. Enti omo mom no fatigue ever set in. Well, say nya sa problem no. Enti no ye can about and a coach no yenim. Say about friendly matches in a way ebe bo no coach ama na fair idea about the team. Ebe bo the side chemistry, side team bonding no. Telepathy be ye adwuma. Ye be who the lapses say what team no. Tactical versatility. Yeah, the player we ball right side of defense ha. Ubetimi aseftened naba middle ama na ye ti say Nico O'Reilly am no nanim so onye a natural right sided defender na emomu I midfielder but obetimi asanso abosa position no sa na ema ni nyina eboa ma coach enya Friday e fa ni team so it is good but then on the flip side also the players are already complaining whether no mo akom no any pressure bra mo abre omo aba no na nkombe sa abosa friendly matches no it is excuse you omo a e fa bi amomo no I am more refreshed than your opponent. It's a fact, son at the end here. And now on the bad side though, but next time on the good side. Wait.
Okay, but Jude also bad for the no. Insurance of 4.5 ready entity home. A baby game na nkasa on common here.